What's up guys, and welcome to my channel over here. And today I'm going to talk about an iMac 5K and the 4K, especially about the iMac, which is a new 2020 lineup. And in 2020 lineup, every iMac have something special. First of all, I'm going to talk about the design. The design is literally same from the old iMac. Nothing is changed at all, but only one thing is changed. It's hardware. It's not the design, it's the hardware part of that. The first thing, the display over here. In 27-inch 5K iMac, they have nano texture glass technology, which is same technology from the 6K monitor of iMac, not iMac. It's from the Pro Display XDR, and that's a great display. That technology cost is means that Pro Display XDR cost is around $6,000 or $5,000. Especially the stand is also $999. That's expensive. The second thing, the display. And yes, on first thing I will say that you can upgrade it nano texture glass from normal 5K iMac, which cost around $500 more. Second thing, the processor. Like a 4K, it's a 4K monitor. It's have a 2-core processor, a 4-core or 6-core processor. The 27-inch 5K iMac have 6-core, 8-core and 10-core processor, and that's a great in point of view if you are using the mini like a virtual machine, or if you using the boot camp of Windows operating system. It's quite efficient at that time. So another thing is RAM. The third thing is RAM, and the RAM is they actually upgrade the RAM up to 128 gigabyte. It's 2660 megahertz RAM, and that's great actually, but it's only applicable on 27-inch 5K iMac. 27-inch 5K iMac having 128 gigabyte upgradable, but in 21.5-inch 4K iMac have only 32 gigabyte upgradable choice. So it's up to you. So iMac lineup have a great actually the Apple make a great decision about iMac, that they put SSD in every iMac right now. It's starting from 256 gigabyte of SSD. Means I'm talking about the pre-installed SSD. It's 256 gigabyte SSD to 512 gigabyte. You can upgrade it up to 1 terabyte of SSD in 21.5-inch iMac, and in 27-inch iMac you can upgrade it up to 8 terabyte of SSD. That's insanely great. Now the next thing is graphic card, and that's play important role, because if you want to connect the mini monitor, or if you want to do something intensive tasks like the Photoshop and that video editing, so in rendering the graphic card is used. So in 21.5-inch 4K iMac have a 4 gigabyte of graphic card and 2 gigabyte of external graphic card. It's not an internal Intel HD graphic card. It's not Intel HD, it's Intel graphic card, but they have a Radeon Pro graphic card. So if you move up to 27-inch 5K iMac, they give you up to 16 gigabyte of graphic card upgradable option, and they also have 8 gigabyte and 4 gigabyte of Radeon Pro graphic card. So that was the graphic card thing. So comment in the comment box which specification you like most, and also I will like to say 5K iMac connect up to 1 6K monitor or 2 6K monitor. It's also connect the 4K monitor, 5K monitor. So it's great. It also can connect to the 6K monitor. So because of that, maybe they have 16 gigabyte of RAM, I think so. So stay tuned, stay happy. See you in the next time, and please subscribe to my channel.